Kwento ni Toto. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang kwento.
It's been quite a while since I came back to singing. I don't know that my heart is and now I'm very thankful. So hopefully, you guys are really having a great time. So na pala, abangan nyo. We're gonna be releasing a song. So, I remember Firefly, so samahan ka rin. So hopefully, it's gonna come out soon.
This is the proper press con for Fair Price, and I would like to acknowledge and introduce to you Mr. Alex and Bon of Stars Photo. Second ko po yan once again. Second ko nung nasa showtime ako, at kaya ako sa showtime, siyempre pa rin ako. Mr. Jan Bueno, kumaggaw.com. Mr. Marco Polo Demo, BentoLicoco.com, Miss Patricia Bianca, Manila Sponsor, of course, Net25, Mr. Pico Tenano, our press sponsor. Ayan, maraming salamat po and kasama namin kayo. Siguro mag-start tayo for this Patricia Bianca. Ano lang, Bebe? Congratulations on your new launch.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations on your new launch. As a member of Fireflies, kamusta naman po yung dynamic nyo as a group?
Yes.
How do you create the songs na sasabi na mga po na rin naman na i-release? So, bakit yung kayo nag-work together as a group?
Actually, this group is, for me, it's quite easier to work with. Kasi Judy is actually also a former member of Buffet. So we already had good dynamics with each other. And then, luckily, the other group members, also JC, is also a good writer, and a solo artist himself. And maganda kasi because everybody listens to different ideas. And then, dahil doon, for me, it's quite easy to make songs if you guys understand each other. Oh yeah. Baka may acting ito.
Nagkataon nga na maganda yung yung kasi kami ni brother when we started in 2016 so launch bagong members. So, kulang lang talaga si Jay. Kaya nung pumayag siya, alam mo naging positive yung partner. Actually, si Jay talaga nagdadalawang isip pa sa amin yun. Sobrang busy talaga si Jay. Stay sa Cebu. So, ang hirap din yung ipasuli namin dito. Tawag-tawag lang si Jay. So, salamat ako dahil umuwi si Jay sa ano tayo mag-call tayo sumama sa conference kasi yung conference nag-start 2016 pa rin. Tapos parang yung original members parang tinamat na rin sila kasi yung isang price na lang, isang ano na to. So, syempre, walang income, diba? So, umuwi na siya. Kaya, ako na rin na ako yung makapag-ugat. Anyway, thankful po ako kay Jerry. Kasi, syempre, tagal pa rin namin hindi mo kasama.
No, it's not that way. We're good friends, that's it. And then good friends are hard to come by. Tama po. Kaya pag may kaibigan kayong tunay, huwag mo pong kalimutan yung lagi mo sila.
Parang question lang po, bakit po fireflies ni Minion yan?
Kasi gusto namin kahit hindi rin makita kami ng pagpapala.
That's just good. No, I like the dark, but not that dark. So, I prefer sa Mikey's. Ano ba yung fireflies? Ikaw ba?
Wala lang. Nakita ko lang siya sa internet, sa website na dapat na alitak-tak nila. So, ako namin na yung pangalan ng alitak sa social fireflies. So, wala ko ba? Pangalan ng pangalan ba yun? Let's give it a day. With the craft of the store, a simple spot, like a firefly, will do the guide to get home.
Guide siya. Dahil sa mabiling na lugar, yung spark ng firefly na yun. Follow ko lang yun. Mahanap mo yung tunay na bago mo na ito.
Fireflies doon, parang ilaw ng pangarap. Ilaw ng pangarap. Kasi kung wala kang ilaw, hindi mo mabubuo yung mga bihis ng kanta mo. Parang ang boring mo, kailangan marami ng ilaw na maaalim na sa mga pag-nagsusulat ko ng kanta. Yun po.